Krishna. Current electricity problems and solutions. Question number 1. A wire of resistance 10 ohm is stretched such that final length is 3 times of initial length. If density of the wire remains same, find the resistance of the stretched wire R2. This question is asked based on the volume. When a wire is stretched, its volume remains constant. If I take this as the wire, let its area of cross section is pi r1 square. If I consider r1 as the radius of the wire, and let its initial length is L1. When it is stretched, what happens is it is stretched 3 times its original length. So let this is L2, that is equal to 3L1. Let its area of cross section is pi r2 square. Initial volume of the wire is given by pi r1 square L1, that is equal to final volume of the wire, that is pi r2 square L2. Then we can write r1 square by r2 square is equal to L2 by L1, that is 3L1 by L1, that is 3. Now the new resistance R2 is given by rho L2 by pi R2 square, and original resistance of the wire is rho is given by rho L1 by pi R1 square. Here if I divide these two equations, rho gets cancelled, pi gets cancelled, and I get L2 by R2 square into R1 square by L1, that is R2 by R1. R2 we have to find. The R1 is given 10 ohm is equal to L2 by L1 is 3, and R1 square by R2 square. R1 by R2 square is also 3. On solving this, we get R2 is equal to 90 ohm. Question number 2. A wire of 4R resistance is bent in the form of a circle. Find the resistance across the ends of the diameter. If this is at the points, if I connect these 2 points, this is the diameter, then total resistance is 4R. That means this part of the wire has a resistance 2R, and this part of the wire has a resistance 2R. If I connect a battery between these two, then these two are in a parallel combination. Then resistance is given by R1 R2 by R1 plus R2, that is 2R into 2R divided by 2R plus 2R, that is 4R. 2 to 4 gets cancelled, R gets cancelled. Then new resistance is equal to R. Question number 3. Find the resistivity of the conductor which carries a current density 2.5 into 10 power 6 ampere meter square when an electric field 15 volt per meter is applied. We know resistance is given by rho L by A. From Ohm's law, we can write resistance as the ratio of V to I, that is equal to rho L by A. If I write this like this, V by L is equal to rho into I by A, where I by A is current density, V by L is electric field. On substituting the values, E is equal to 15 is equal to rho, we have to find I by A is given as 2.5 into 10 power 6, 2.5 6, then rho is equal to 6 into 10 power minus 6 ohm meter. Question number 4. Find the color code of the resistor 350 milli ohm with plus or minus 5% tolerance. This is written as 35 into 10 power minus 2. Here 3 represents orange and 5 represents green and 10 power minus 2 represents silver and plus or minus 5% represents gold. Question number 5. You are given a 8 ohm resistor. What length of wire of resistivity 120 ohm meter should be connected in parallel to get a resistance 6 ohm? Resistance in parallel combination is given by R1 R2 by R1 plus R2, where R parallel is 6 and R1 is 8 R2 divided by 8 plus R2. From this 6 8s are 48 plus 6 R2 is equal to 8 R2. From this R2 is equal to 24 ohm, and we know resistance is given by this equation rho L by A. Here if I take this as R2, rho is given as 120 ohm meter. So if I substitute these values, that is 24 is equal to 120 into length of the wire by area of cross section of the wire. 24 5s are, from this length is equal to A by 5. If A is given, we can find the length of the wire. Question number 7. A silver wire has resistance 2.1 ohm at 27.5 degrees centigrade and 2.7 ohm at temperature 100 degrees centigrade. Then find temperature coefficient of resistivity of the wire. Temperature coefficient of resistivity of the wire alpha T is given by R2 minus R1 divided by R1 into T2 minus T1, that is equal to R2 is 2.7 minus 2.1 divided by R1 is 2.1 into T2 minus T1, 100 minus 27.5, that is 72.5, that is equal to 0.6 divided by 2.1 into 72.5. On solving this, we get this answer 0.4 into 10 power minus 2 per degree centigrade. Question number 8. If length of a wire conductor is doubled by keeping potential difference constant, find by what factor the drift speed of the electrons change. The drift speed is given by this formula, NEA by I, where N is charge density, is charge of the electron, A is the area of cross section of the conductor, I is the current passing. That is written as NE, A is pi R1 square and I is V by R, and R is written as rho L by A is pi R1 square. Pi R1 square gets cancelled here. This is rho L1. For the first case, from this we can write V is equal to NE rho L1 by V. In the next case, when length is doubled, let drift speed is V2, that is given by, similar to this case, N is a constant, E is a constant, specific resistance or resistivity is also constant except the length, divided by potential difference is also constant, that is written as NE rho L2 is given as 2L1 divided by V, this is V1. Now we can write this as 2 times of NE rho L1 by V, NE rho L1 by V, that is 2 times of initial drift velocity.